In this tutorial, I will show you that how can deposit USDT in Exness from Binance in just few easy steps. It's a very easy process to do. So for the first step, you can open your Binance. You can see here, we are in this Binance. Now to transfer amount from Binance to Exness, open Exness, and from here in this dashboard, you can click on details, and here it will show you this deposit button. Click on it. You can see here, it's showing these all deposit methods. Now to deposit amount or USDT from Binance, click on that Binance Pay, and here you can select the amount. So I want to deposit 189 USD. You can type your after writing your amount. Click continue. Then it will show you this confirm button. If you click on it, it will take you to your Binance app automatic. If it's logged in the same device, you can see here we are in this Binance. Now Binance will show you to confirm payment. It's showing the exact amount 189 USD. Select deposit now. Then you need to type your security verification code. After typing it, your deposit will be done. You can see here, payment successful. Now, you can open your Exness app and simply refresh it. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will receive your funds. You can see here, it starts showing me. So that's how you can deposit USDT in Exness from Binance in just few easy steps.